Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. When prepping ingredients, it's important to know a few knife cuts. There's brunoise, dice, lyonnaise, bâtonnet, and many others. Here's another useful one to know, Julienne. So my friends, let's get cooking. We'll start with a carrot. The length of the cut here or any other vegetable is around 2 to 3 inches long. So what we'll do is to turn this round veggie into a square by cutting one side of the carrot to make it flat. Then we'll put the flat side down on a cutting board and cut another side and turn it again until all sides are flat. Now, we'll slice it into about 1/8 inch thick, but if you decide to go for a 1/4 inch thick, you're okay. To make fine julienne cuts, it's 1/16 of an inch thick. Next, let me remove all this on the side so it's easier to see. We'll stack our slices and cut them thinly into strips. And there! We have long stick-shaped cuts that are also known as matchsticks or allumettes in French. At this point, these can be cut into brunoise, which is a fine dice. When it comes to julienne celery or bell peppers, it's pretty straightforward. For a cucumber, we cut it the same way as the carrot, although it can be cut in half prior to squaring it. And this is how easy it is to julienne vegetables or fruits. As you saw in this video, the technique to create julienne cut is quite easy to master. You just need to take your time. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!